For this lesson, I would need the video of Avatar: The Last Airbender, specifically Sokka's haiku battle, which you can find on YouTube, pencil, paper, an active board to project the video on, and haiku examples and a thesaurus. Yesterday we learned about poems. Who can review for me what we learned? And we would discuss. Today we're going to learn about different form of poetry. To learn about this form of poetry, we're going to watch a short video from a cartoon. The cartoon's called Avatar: The Last Airbender. Specifically, this is a boy named Sokka, and while you're watching, I want you to pay attention to what type of poetry is Sokka using and the instructor, what numbers are said, and what does Sokka have too many of? I will play the video now. You may also find this video on YouTube. It is called Sokka's Haiku Battle. Okay, can anyone tell me what type of poetry is Sokka and the instructor using? Yes, it's a haiku. What numbers are said? Yes, the instructor said the 5, 7, and 5. Who can tell me what Sokka has too many of? Syllables. Great. Well, haiku is a type of poetry that has 3 lines. The first line contains 5 syllables, the second line has 7, and the third line has 5 syllables. I will show you some examples of haikus. I would then project 3 haikus that I wrote on my own and have the children count out the syllables in each line. Following this activity, I would have the kids choose a topic to create a haiku of, maybe recess. And we would brainstorm together to create a proper haiku with 3 lines of poetry in the 5-7-5 format. I would then release the class to begin creating their own haikus, stressing the 5-7-5 format and instructing them that it can be on anything they want, but original haikus were over everyday life events or nature. Upon the end of this lesson, I would gather the class back to the rug, and I would have some students read their haikus, again stressing the 5-7-5 format. The assessment for this would be 3 finished haikus, and I would just ensure that the students followed the 5-7-5 3 lines of poetry format.